Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Overwatch 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Overwatch 2 game on your device. And after you open it up, you will see a QR code that you can scan to log into your account right away. Now you can also click on Open Browser, which will open up your Steam browser. And now just enter the code that you see within this page. Once you have entered the code, you can now see your account. Click on the Yes Login button, and you will then be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in the email address that you have used while creating your account and click on Continue. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. So just check your inbox and you will find this verification code. Once you have entered the code, just tap on the Confirm button to confirm your connection. And now your Steam account has been connected to your Battle.net account. You can now close this, and now your login will be completed and you can start enjoying the game on your device right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Overwatch 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.